is over fender, crack right there, crack right here. I'm using this fiberglass repair kit. I bought this at Home Depot, some brush and a container, using some gloves, and this is what it comes for. It comes with it. This is the fiberglass. We are gonna need some scissors. And this does get a little itchy. This is the resin, and this is the hardener. So we're gonna put some in here, put some hardener on there, mix it up, cut these up to specs, put it on there to reinforce it, and let it dry. Comes with like stuff to mix it and to apply it. I'm gonna use a brush. So there it is. Slap some on there, just gonna let it dry. So now to finish it up, I'm gonna take the other control arm right there and the sway bar, put the exhaust, and call it a day. So there it is. Now to put the stock back on, take off that crash bar, put the stock one. So there it is. Sorry, fucking looking strong. I already did that. Also, I just need to find Emily, because on the other one, the screw didn't want to come off, so we ended up cutting it. I'm gonna go to AutoZone real quick and get that, so I get this car up on the road and up for sale. I just need to take off that crash bar, put that one, put on the stock seats, and there is one of the back seats over there, and give it a nice little detail, and it's up for sale. And slap this on along with the one in the front bumper. Just nothing big. That's it. The car is almost ready to come out. So there it is.
Bluetooth connect.